Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, we will take a look at how to adjust your alarm volume when it is too soft or too loud. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings and then we're going to go all the way down until we see sounds and haptics right here. Now, usually your physical buttons for making your sounds softer or louder does not affect in terms of your ringtones or your alarm. So what we would need to do is to change the slider right here on the top for us to go ahead and choose how loud or soft we want our alarms. Or if you want our physical buttons to make changes to this, so if you want it to be a bit quieter, then all you need to do is to toggle on this. And as you can see here, it says the volume buttons can be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. And if you don't want that to happen, then just go ahead and toggle this off. Now, another thing is you may be using the sleep or wake up feature for iPhone for you to get a desired amount of sleep. Now that has its own features or volume of its own. Now how do we access that? All we need to do is we need to go into our clock right here. And then as you can see here at the very top, we have that sleep or wake up alarm. So go ahead and click change. And then you go all the way down here. Now this is where we're able to get our volume itself. Now if it is too quiet, then go ahead and just change your haptics or your sounds right here. And then, make the adjustments right here. One final thing that you can go ahead and do is to make sure that you are up to the latest software update of your phone. So all you need to do is to go into settings once again, and then let's go into general and then click on software update. If it is not updated, then you should be able to see something like this. Now just go ahead and update it to the latest version so that the alarm volume can also be fixed. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.